Today in this video you know about how much topsoil do I need for a 4 by 8 garden bed. It is a raised bed for your garden, and you have to find out the quantity of topsoils in bags, in cubic foot and the cubic yard. And you know that the topsoils are used for creating new bed for your garden, and each bag of topsoil weight about 40 pounds, and each bag of 40 pounds topsoil yields volume about half cubic foot. And first we make a rough diagram to understand about the different dimension for the raised bed. Suppose this one is a rough diagram. This one is wooden frame structure, and these are the depth of soils. This one is the width of raised bed, that is about 4 foot, and this one is the length of raised bed, that is about 8 foot. And the soil depth, this area are filled with soil. And what is their depth? The depth of garden raised bed should be 10 inches deep, and this one is wooden frame. And the blend mix of topsoils are filled in this box. Blend mix topsoil ratio are 60% of topsoil. You need to fill 60% of topsoil with 30% of compost material and the 10% of potting soil. This is the blended mix of soil needed to fill in this area. But here you have to calculate the quantity of topsoil. First we calculate the volume of topsoils in cubic foot. You just multiply the length, width and depth of the raised bed. The length, that is 8 foot, the width, that is 4 foot, and the depth, which is 10 inches, which is equal as 8.33 foot, and this will come about 27 cubic foot. It means you need approximately 27 cubic foot of topsoil for a creating 4 by 8 raised bed garden. And if you want to calculate volume in yards, then you divide the cubic feet by 27. This is approximately equal as 1 cubic yards of topsoil, because 1 cubic yard is equal as 27 cubic foot. And if you want to calculate number of 40 pounds bags, then each bags yields volume about half cubic foot, and your total cubic foot is this one, 27 cubic foot. That's why you multiply 27 by 2. This will come approximately 54 bags. It means you need to buy 54 bags of 40 pounds topsoil needed for your creating a new 4 by 8 garden bed. Thank you.